Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia and welcome to our verbs and prefixes lesson. And it's the first lesson of the series I'm planning to create about Russian verbs and their prefixes. I hope it will be really useful for you. Let's start. So as you know, maybe or maybe not yet, Russian verbs can change their meanings according to the prefix which they have. For example, the word делать, to do, is different from переделать, to do once again, to redo, just because it has пере prefix. Okay, so there are tons of prefixes. Okay, not tons of them, but quite a lot, and they are really important in Russian language because if you just say делать all the time and ignore the prefix that the verb has, it won't work out, really, and you will see why. So in today's lesson we're going to speak about the word делать, to do. Делать means to do, and this one is imperfective verb, so it means an action which is still in process, or something that you do every day. For example, что ты делаешь каждый день? What do you do every day? Or что ты делаешь сейчас? What are you doing at the moment? So this is the meaning of the verb делать. Another verb which sounds quite similar, but it has a tiny prefix there, it's the verb сделать. Сделать. It has s prefix. Сделать. And сделать is a perfective verb already, so it means a completed action. Что ты сделал вчера? What did you do yesterday? Something you completed yesterday? Or что ты сделал сегодня? Что ты уже сделал сегодня? What have you already done today? Я уже сделал домашнее задание. I have already completed my homework. Сделал. Something you complete. Or когда ты сделаешь домашнее задание? When will you complete your homework? So when you use the word делать, it means an action which is not completed yet, and сделать, it's an action which is completed. Что ты делаешь сейчас? What are you doing now? Что ты уже сделал? What have you done already? Okay? Делать, сделать. The next one is поделать. Поделать, another prefix. По. It is not stressed, so I pronounce it as pa. Поделать. Po prefix in many verbs mean the same thing, to do something for a short period of time. For example, у меня есть час до урока. Что бы мне поделать? I have an hour till my lesson starts. What can I do for this short period of time? Что бы мне поделать? So this is the first meaning, что бы мне поделать, to do something for a short period of time. And another meaning is you can often hear an expression ничего не поделать or ничего не поделаешь. It means there is nothing to do. So there is a situation where you cannot find a good way out of. So ничего не поделаешь. This is life. Ничего не поделаешь. Yeah. Ничего не поделаешь. Русский это сложный язык. There is nothing to do. Russian is a complicated language. But it will be okay. Next one. Переделать. Переделать, prefix пере, means to do something again. So переделать, to do something again, to redo something. For example, у тебя здесь много ошибок, переделай это задание. You have many mistakes here. You should redo this exercise. Do this exercise again. Переделать. Okay? Переделать. Another meaning of переделать is to do a list of things one after another. For example, я переделала кучу дел с утра и теперь могу отдохнуть. I did so many things in the morning, куча дел, a pile of things literally, Теперь я могу отдохнуть. Now I can rest. Я переделала много дел. Я переделала кучу дел. I did one thing, and then another thing, and then another thing. Переделала много дел. Переделала кучу дел. One thing after another. So this is another meaning of переделать. Another verb. Доделать. Доделать. Again, делать changes its meaning with the prefix до. Доделать, pronounced да. Доделать, because it's not stressed. Доделать means to complete something, to finish something. For example, я наконец-то доделала свой проект. Я наконец-то, I finally, доделала, completed, finished мой проект, my project. I finally finished my project. So I've been working on my project for a while, and finally, this final part, я доделала. So we use it to stress that we have been doing something, and then this last part, we finished it. Я наконец-то доделала задание, наконец-то доделала уроки, я доделала свой проект. So I finished something, I completed something. Доделать, to finish and to do something till the end. So let's review everything once again, very briefly. Verb делать, to do. Imperfective, что ты делаешь каждый день. Сделать, perfective, to do. Что ты сделал, what have you completed, what have you done, что ты уже сделал сегодня. Поделать, поделать, по, prefix, to do something for a short period of time. Что бы мне поделать? Что бы мне поделать полчаса? What can I do during half an hour that I have? Another meaning, поделать. Ничего не поделаешь, ничего не поделать. There is nothing to be done, nothing to do. Переделать, to do all over again, to do once again, to redo. Переделать. Or to do one thing after another, and you have a list of things, and then you did this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay? Переделать. Я переделала кучу дел. I did so many things. Доделать. Доделать is to complete something, to finish something. Я наконец-то доделала свой проект. I finally finished this last part of my project. I finally finished my project. Я наконец-то доделала свой проект. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you're not too confused with all these prefixes and the meanings of the verbs. I advise you to go to the box below the video and to go over all the verbs that were mentioned in the video, and also press like. It will be really nice of you to do, and visit my Facebook page and Instagram page. You have all the links below the video. So I hope you liked the lesson. Пока-пока!